Tonight, we are 2 weeks away from knowing which Democratic and Republican candidates will appear on the November ballot. And for the first time ever, unaffiliated voters will be a part of that decision. If you're one of the thousands not registered to a specific political party, you should have received 2 ballots in the mail. But remember, you can only return 1 ballot in order for your vote to count. And we are looking ahead to several big races on June 26th, including governor and seats for U.S. Congress.
But we also want to give you a closer look at several other hotly contested races in southern Colorado. Our Allison Zimmerman watching out for you tonight to make sure you're informed about every race on your ballot. Allison?
Zach and Elizabeth, not only will Coloradans elect a new governor this year, but races for all of the state's top elected positions will also take place, which you can see right here. And throughout southern Colorado, one position in particular is running contested in a few counties, which is county sheriff, which in some places that is the highest paid county elected job. Many people can agree it's a big year for elections in Colorado, as more people will get to have a say in the primaries.
I think it's very important for people to see the importance of what's happening with unaffiliated voters in Colorado at the present time.
Not only are Coloradans looking for a new governor, we'll also elect a state treasurer, attorney general, and secretary of state. State treasurer running contested for both Democrats and Republicans. But there are lots of other elected positions you'll find on your ballot, specifically when it comes to jobs in your county. Here's a quick Cliff Notes version, if you will, of some of the big races we'll see. In El Paso County, the Republican race for sheriff.
The sheriff's race is interesting because there's been so much turmoil in the sheriff's department. That kind of controversy can show up in elections, even if the particular person is not involved.
Fremont, Baca, and Los Animas counties also have contested races. In Fremont, it's between 3 people, all Republicans.
County government in Colorado was essentially established in the 1860s and has not changed since.
In many cases, these races, known as down-ballot races, don't typically get as much participation as, say, governor. But if you look here, in some cases, a few of these elected positions come with 6-figure salaries, which comes from public money. As the voting population increases this primary, it could also change the amount of participation. And this is just a glimpse. There are, of course, many different elections taking place. And if you're not familiar with some of these jobs or who's running, we have got you covered. We've broken down every single contested primary race on our News 5 app. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Allison Zimmerman, News 5.
Good info, Allison. Thank you.